Unboxing. Inside the box, we've got the product and a USB-C cable. The size is about a palm, easy to open and simple to use. Here we've got pry tools, a special screwdriver, a utility knife, an extension bar, an electric driver, tweezers, and even a bottle opener. The center column spins to pick the bit you need. There's also a manual screwdriver. Twist the end cap while working, feels good in hand. The electric driver fits nicely in hand. 2 buttons let you turn left or right. Strong magnetic tip takes a bit of force to swap bits. Works fine even in low light. The center column holds 60 bits. Just spin and grab one. Bits on the edge can be harder to pull out. Use the pry tool to help. Hold the button to turn on the light. Bright enough, super easy to use. The extension bar is flexible and tough. Once attached to the electric driver, it delivers torque efficiently. Manual driver is smooth to switch, feels solid. The bits can extend too, with decent strength. Charges by USB-C with a light indicator. You can still use it while charging, though not for too long. The knife is sharp, great for boxes and card cutting. Tweezers are handy for picking up small parts. Two pry tools give you more options for different tasks. And yes, there's even a bottle opener. Take a break and enjoy a drink. That's it for today's review. See you next time.